Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and selecting a mock location app so your phone will accept simulated GPS. Once done, install a reliable mock GPS app and open it. Make sure you grant location and background permissions. Next, in Settings Developer Options, choose that app as the mock location provider. This is critical because without selecting it, the camera will still read the real GPS. Now you're ready to configure the fake coordinates inside the mock app. With the mock app active, enter the exact latitude and longitude you want or pick a place on the map. This ensures precise geotags. Then start the fake location service and set a short update interval, such as 1 to 5 seconds, so apps read the new position quickly. Once the fake feed is running, open your camera app and capture a photo. Make sure the camera's location tag reflects the fake coordinates. If not, restart the camera application while the mock service remains active. To finish, verify the image EXIF in a file manager or Google Photos to confirm the altered GPS entry. If you need to return to normal, revoke the mock location app selection in Developer Options and reboot the device so real GPS resumes consistently. If the camera still shows the real location, clear the camera app cache, confirm the mock app has foreground and background location permissions, and restart both services. One key tip: some camera or cloud syncing apps read cached GPS. Clearing cache usually resolves that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.